Oh, my bad.
Alright, thanks for watching that video, if you tuned in. I had a lot of fun. That was a Sunday session. Or no, that was Monday. Monday was my Sunday, and or Saturday, if that makes sense. Long week, so glad to be back on my board. This was my first session, like first recovered session, on my skateboard, and it felt really good to do some tricks. And yeah, it felt like I was actually skating the way I really like to skate, and that's like playing around a little bit, you know, my little skirts that I do, and like I like going up big things and going quick and doing little movements. Like that's how I snowboard too. I do like big tricks as well. Whatever. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. This shit's makes me feel really good to do. So yeah. Bye.